Good morning. Good morning, YouTubers. This was one of my favorite projects. It's a Smith Corona special, and there's a few things. This was made in 1929, and it's light, it's small. It's the smallest typewriter I have. This was a true barn find. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of what was in it. It was in very rough shape. So these spools, I think a lot of people would like to know about the spools because they're just a half spool. So in case you didn't know. And they just kind of go right on. So give me a second to fix that. Let's get these figures. Where is it? Next page. The font on this typewriter is it's very clear. So really enjoyed this little Smith Corona. Thanks for watching. Good night.